Hi, myself Bharat Joshi. I am the principal owner of this company, Tech Manufacturing. We have started this business in year 2011. We are into business of component manufacturing for different industry, insulators, solenoid valves and circuit breakers. LMW is our partners to our growth as we started our journey in 2011 with one machine. I can say to my experience of last 15 years, it's very reliable and robust machine, and accuracy what we get is phenomenal, and the repeatability is also very high with these machines. LMW services also are very good in terms of whenever need a service support from LMW. That is the reason to buy this machine repeatedly. We started with one machine and now total we have 7 machines, one VMC of J2 which was the first in our area. People were skeptical but we trusted on LMW and it is running well since last 3 years. So I can say even our oldest machine of 2011 which is also after using 15 years rigorously can still produce a 5 microns job. So repeatability and reliability is very high. Thanks to LMW team for providing us such beautiful service whenever we required, and that's the reason we did not choose any other brand and continuously growing with LMW. Thank you so much.